Some passionate fans at Pluckers tonight, seconds after the Green Bay Packers took down the Dallas Cowboys. Tough night in Texas. Sports director Roger Wallace is here, and Roger, it really came down to the final seconds.
Amazing. Now there is a twist here that some fans in this area will be happy about. We'll have that as the Cowboys and Packers. It's been a kind of ho-hum playoffs through 6 games, and then this happened. The Cowboys trying to win that first divisional round playoff since their Super Bowl year, and they were down by 3 with 40 seconds to go, and Dan Bailey lines up for a game-tying field goal, and he does it from 52 yards. But the Packers still have some time, and they've got Aaron Rodgers and Jason Garrett helpless. Look at Rodgers. Looks like he's just trying to maybe throw it away and buy one more play. Instead, he finds Jared Cook right on the sideline, initially ruled incomplete, but overruled. They do review it, and sure enough, Cook has both feet down. So that gives Georgetown's Mason Crosby another chance. He kicked a 56-yarder earlier, and here with 3 seconds to go, after making one, but Garrett called a timeout, he sneaks it right inside the upright. And the Georgetown kid is the heroes, and the Cowboys season comes to a heartbreaking end after 13 wins in the regular season. Best record in the NFL, but season ends today.
Our guys just kept battling, they kept fighting, and to me, this game was so indicative of the kind of men we have on our team and what they've done all year long. A lot of different adversity, just to overcome it. Nobody blinked, everybody just kept playing. Obviously, we got ourselves in a great position at the end of the ball game to win it.
Of course, the last time the Packers played at AT&T Stadium, they beat the Steelers and won the Super Bowl. Now they go to Atlanta to try to get back to Texas and play for another Super Bowl. More on this on Game Night over on KXAN. Aaron?